Okay, so today I am back, and today I will be vacuuming my mattress, or my sheets, because as you guys can see, there is a lot of dog hair, but it's mostly over here. That's where my baby boy sleeps. So anyway, we're going to vacuum the mattress, and I've got the dirt meter on and everything. So here we go, and I will show you guys the dirt, how much I pick up afterward. So here we go. Oh, and I forgot to plug it in. Just give me 1 second to do that. Okay, there we go. Actually, let me fix the sheets so it will actually spin faster. Here we go. There we go. Now let's try it. There we go. Dog hair on there. Actually, it's clogged. I've been back in this bed in a while. Look at that. There we go. And actually, I will be right back when we grab a different tool. Okay, so now I've got my Dyson tool connected to it. So here we go. This one works much better. Sorry. And actually, I need to flip this sheet over, because I just saw some other dirt. Yep, there's some more. Okay. So there is the Kirby, and before I forget, let me show you what I got off my bed. This is all off my bed. That is actually quite a bit of dog hair. I don't know what this is. It's like a gum wrapper. Anyway, that is actually quite a bit of dog hair that came off my mattress. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.